Hello everybody, you're watching Corcoran Dairy. Today's video we're going to be changing the engine oil on this tractor here, so stay tuned. Alright, right now we're going to take the drain plug out so the oil can flow into the pail. Alright, right now we're going to take this engine oil filter off. Alright, right now we're going to put this gasket in there. It fits right in there so the filter can seal tight. Put it in here. Making sure it's in there snug. Now we'll put the filter on. Here's the filter. Screw it on right here. Make sure this is snug. It's on there. Right now we're just putting the drain plug in. Then we'll get ready to start adding oil to the engine. Alright, we're going to start adding some oil. What we're using today, we're using 1540 John Deere oil. We've been using it for a long time. Seems to work out pretty good for us, so we're going to put some probably about 17.5 quarts in this tractor. That's usually what we put in them, so let's get to it. Alright, so what we do with this used engine oil, we have a patch gutter cleaner for the cows. We use this oil on a self-oiling system, which prevents it from the gutter paddles from rusting, and it also lubricates it. Alright, right now I'm going to hop in this tractor, turn it on, so the oil can circulate through the tractor. So tomorrow we'll get an accurate reading on the oil level. So I'll get to it. Right now we're going to put the tools on this tractor for spring tillage. Alright, right now we're getting the tools on. Here's your clamps. These are clamp-on tools. You slide them on these rails. You can see on the camera. You slide them on. Then they clamp on these little hooks, which is mounted on the rim of the tire of the tractor. So now we'll get clamping them on. Alright, right now we just got the tractor spun around so we can put the other dual on and spray some oil on around the rim here so the dual can come on and off easier. Alright, right now we're going to put the clamps on. There's a little rail here, there's a little rivet here, so these clamps hook on, and then you can slide them around for each hook on the rim of the tractor. So right now we're going to hook this up. Right now we're going to get these last two clamps snapped up. Alright, that's going to do it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. See you next time.